Hey everyone, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams and this is a new video series जहाँ पे हम पहले डिस्कस करेंगे first in the world, especially in males, which will be followed by another session tomorrow, first in the world, female. We shall start और आज के जो सेशन होने वाला है that will be taken by me चेतन अपुरा, your general studies tutor, and आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं बहुत सारे इवेंट्स जिसमें जो कि हमारी वर्ल्ड में फर्स्ट टाइम हुआ and they were all done by males. Now, let us start and before we start, let me tell you in brief about SSB Crack Exams. तो हमारा जो SSB Crack Exams है, this is a one-stop solution for every major defense-related examination. For more details, don't forget to visit our website learn.ssbcrackexams.com. Follow our YouTube channel SSB Crack Exams for daily current affairs update and various GK static video. You can also follow us on Instagram and don't forget to download our app SSB Crack Exams from Android Google Play Store. Let's start. सबसे पहले we'll be seeing the first Secretary General of UN, which is United Nations. So it was Trygve Lie. He was a Norwegian politician. वो एक लेबर लीडर थे एंड ही वाज अ गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल. बहुत दिनों तक नॉर्वे में फॉरेन मिनिस्टर भी थे. एंड फ्रॉम 1946 to 1952, soon after the World War II ended, he was the first Secretary General of United Nations. Okay. Now moving on, the first European invader in India. So Alexander the Great, I'm sure you must all have heard about it. So Alexander the Great, he was the first European invader in India. कब हुआ था? In 326 BC, Alexander invaded India. After crossing the river Indus, he advanced towards Taxila. Okay. Now, first in space to go into the space actually. So the first one is Major Yuri Gagarin and not Neil Armstrong. Neil Armstrong was the first person to land on moon, जिसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. So there are 3-4 terms which are related to space. Please don't get confused in that. First person to go into space was Major Yuri Gagarin. He was from USSR and he was a Soviet Air Force pilot and cosmonaut who became the first human to journey into outer space in his capsule, and उसके capsule का नाम था Vostok 1, and completed one entire orbit of Earth on April 12, 1961. Right? Then the next one is first in space to walk into the space. Okay, and it was done by Alexei Leonov. He was the first person to do the space work, and on 18 March 1965 he became the first human to conduct a space work. His capsule was code 2 and the mission was for around 12 minutes and 9 seconds. Okay. Now the first space tourist, this is an interesting one. So Dennis Tito, who was from USA, was the first person who was a space tourist, and in mid 2001 he spent nearly 8 days in orbit as a crew member of ISS EP-1, a visiting mission to the ISS. ISS is nothing but International Space Station. Okay. Now, as we all know, famously, the first person to set foot on moon, so he was Neil Armstrong. He was from USA. And on July 20, 1969, Armstrong and Apollo 11, he was the flight of that mission was Apollo 11. Lunar module pilot Buzz Aldrin was the second person to set foot on the moon. They became the first people to land on the moon. Okay, so Neil Armstrong is the first person, and the second one is Buzz Aldrin. Okay, now moving ahead. The first to fly an airplane. Of course, we all know this. The famous Wright brothers were the first person to fly an aeroplane. The Wright brothers, Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright, were two American aviation pioneers flying the world's first successful motor-operated airplane. There were many, but they were not successful before them. So the first successful motor-operated plane was made by Wright brothers. They made the first controlled sustained flight of a powered heavier than aircraft, which was named as the Wright Flyer, and it flew on December 17, 1903. Now moving ahead, the first person to climb the highest peak on Earth, which is Mount Everest. So it was done by two people. One was New Zealander Edmund Hillary, and the second one a Nepalese national who was Tenzing Norgay. They reached the top of Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, at 11:30 a.m. on May 29 back in 1953. Remember the dates. फिर इसके बाद who was the first person to draw the map of Earth? Okay, तो Anaximander was the first person जिसने Earth का map first time create किया था. And it was done in 6th century BC. He drew the map of then known world. It's not necessary कि उस टाइम पे हमें बहुत सारी वर्ल्ड का एरिया जो था वो अनएक्सप्लोर्ड था. सो उस टाइम तक जो भी नोन वर्ल्ड था उसका मैप एनेक्सिमेंडर ने ड्रॉ किया था. एंड उसके अजम्पशन में ये था कि जो अर्थ का शेप है दैट इज सिलेंड्रिकल शेप. बट लेटर ऑन स्फेरिकल अर्थ जब किसी ने डिस्कवर किया, जब पता चला कि अर्थ इज नॉट सिलेंड्रिकल, इट इज स्फेरिकल, देन उस टाइम पे इट वाज डन बाय फर्स्ट ग्रीक और उसका नाम था इराथोस्थेन्स. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन in our list is first to win Nobel Prize for Literature. There are several categories जिसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे. हर कैटेगरी में अलग अलग फर्स्ट प्राइजेस थे ऑफ कोर्स. सो द फर्स्ट नोबेल प्राइज फॉर लिटरेचर कैटेगरी की अगर मैं बात करूँ, so it was given to Sully Prudhomme, who was from France, and in 1901. Later, the Nobel Peace Prize, the first Nobel Peace Prize was given to Henry Dunant, who was from Switzerland, and Frederic Passy, who was from France. It was again awarded in 1901. The first Nobel Prize of Physics was given to W.K. Roentgen, who was from Germany. And the first prize for Nobel Prize for Economics was shared by two persons for economics. It was Ragnar Frisch, who was from Norway, and Jan Tinberg, who was from Holland, which is now Netherlands. Now, the first person to reach the North Pole, he was named as Robert Peary. He reached the geographical North Pole with his expedition on April 6th, 1909. And later, if we talk about the first person to reach South Pole, so it was reached by Roald Amundsen. The first expedition to the South Pole in 1911. He reached South Pole in 1911. Later on, he also reached North Pole. This is an extra information. Later on, he also reached North Pole in 1930. Okay, so these were all the major firsts that occurred in the world, which was achieved by men. In the next session, we'll be discussing about the first in the world, the female version. So till then, thank you guys. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And till next session, be safe, take care, Jai Hind.